Hey guys, what's up? It's Bagelsmith here with another One Piece trading card game opening, and today we have OP11, Fist of Divine Speed. We're finally getting to this. Along with this booster box, I've got 6 loose booster packs from all the starter decks I open, from starter deck 23 through 28, I believe. So we'll be doing that after we get through the box, just to get everything here. So total of 30 packs. Looking forward to this. Let's get into it. Of course, 128 types. 2 third anniversary special cards. That is the Luffy cards, which started with OP11, OP012, and OP012. OP11, OP12, OP13 also have third anniversary special cards. But in this one, it is Gear 5 Luffy. There's a rainbow or silver and gold version. So the cream of the crop in terms of chase, but we will see if we are able to get that lucky. Yeah, let us get into this. Very excited to be opening this set. Been sitting in my room for quite a while here, finally getting to it. This is when did this come out again? This came out in summer, I think. And right now I'm opening it in October 2025. So very excited to get into this deck finally. There we go. Of course. That's what it looks like. That's what it'll look like off screen. Here we go. Very excited to be opening OP11. This box here. Kind of roll it slow here just to savor in some of this art, and we'll speed up as we get through more cards. First rares, Let's Crash This Wedding and Charlotte Linlin. This is another set where I really didn't do that much research in terms of what I'm looking to get, so I guess as things come, I will be excited about what I get. Sorry. I'm excited. I meant to go slow. Charlotte Linlin and Arlong for rares. Yeah, I meant to go slow. But it's not that big of a deal because you got like 200 plus packs to open in the whole case. So I'm not too concerned about not seeing any certain cards. It's like a hyper realistic rabbit. Interesting. Fishman Island. Sudame. Where's our Shirahoshi and Shirley? I realize as I'm opening these, the gears are turning and remembering what cards are in this set. The secret rares are obviously Snake Man, Luffy, and Katakuri. Haven't seen secret rare Katakuri, I guess, since OP03. But yeah, interested in getting those alternate arts as well. Yuboshi. Shirahoshi. Elephant Gatling and Shirahoshi for rares. Oops. Megalo. Rares are Caribou, and I'm gonna be a Navy officer. Scaled Neptunian. Some cool looking cards here. Looks like it's mostly focused around Fishman Island and Whole Cake. Chiffon. Rares are Aramaki and our first super rare Nami. Cool to see Nami in here. I think she also has a leader card. I think it's her first time in her Whole Cake Island outfit being shown on a card. I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I'm right. This might also be Sky Island. There's a lot of different places here. Ooh. Rares are Oven and Kujaku. Maria. Looking at all the art in this set. This looks pretty good for art. Oh, here's our Carrot and Linlin and our first alternate art Dawn. They believe in me. All right, I definitely see something good back there. Sometimes it's just how it happens when you open packs. You just kind of see things. Aladdin, Pedro, King Cobra. There we go. Rares are Reiju, and we have Helmeppo. Get a little closer here. There we go. Helmeppo. This is it is an alternate art character, super rare. Looks like this is him on the arm fighting people in full lead. Cool art of him. Helmeppo. Another mainstay character that's kind of stuck around for a long time. Kind of Kobe's sidekick, you would say. So he's got some good main character moments here and there, but I like the art here, just like the swirling of his attacks. Yeah, cool looking full art of Helmeppo here. So, nice hit. All right, guys, there we go. We got our first hit out of the way with alternate art super rare Helmeppo, a super rare we haven't even seen yet in its normal version. So, interesting. Neptunians, Zephyr. Rares are Honesty Impact and super rare Jimbei. You saw it last pack, but event card Honesty Impact there has an alternate art version in the same style as Divine Departure and OP10 or OP10, which I unfortunately missed out on pulling in my case, but Honesty Impact also has that same type of alternate art version. Hopefully we can see it in this case. Rares are Zeus and Prince Groose. Anyway, still don't know what type of case it is. We only have the one character alt pulled. Wonder what we will get here. Shoe, Fisher Tiger. Rares are Lord of the Coast and Beiji, super rare. All right, guys, we're halfway through the box. Still probably need at least one more hit, a couple more super rares, and one more alternate art Dawn. Rares are Brûlé and Borsellino. Rares are Shirley and super rare Pudding. Come on. Oh. See the super rare on the side. I didn't even see that. There we go. Rares are Beiji and Carrot. Ito. Rares are Brook and Aramaki. Rares are Let's Crash This Wedding and Arlong. Oh. I see something back there. I see something. Right. I think I saw something real good. Oh, It is Gear 2, and we have our first Secret Rare Kobe. And cool looking Secret Rare here of Kobe. Of course, during his fight on Full of Lead after being jailbroken and trying to escape. Cool looking art here. Hoping to pull his alternate art Secret Rares out. I think he's a leader too. I think I saw a leader card of him in one of the packs previously, but the first of 4 copies here that we're going to get from this case. But yeah, cool art style here, cool texturing and holographic effects on your boy Kobe. So, nice hit. All right, guys, we got a second hit there. Could be due for a third, not really sure. We'll see. Nice to leave the 3-hitter boxes towards the end, unlike my OP11 case. We'll see. Rares are Oven and Neptune. Some cool cards in here. Rares are Caribou and Shirahoshi. All right, guys, 4 more packs to go. We are nearly there for the first box. And then we have 6 more loose booster packs right after that, so even a little extra there. Rares are Parasparrow, and I'm going to be a Navy officer. Rares are Kuzan and Super Rare Sanji. Second to last pack here. And I showed it to you. It's an alternate Dawn. So we know what this pack's going to be. Rares are Doll and what is that? Gum Gum Fire Fist Pistol Red Hawk. And our alternate art Dawn. All right, guys, here's the last pack of the box here. Again, I still have a couple more booster packs to open for my starter deck, so I'm not quite finished yet. I think this is our last super rare if I'm counting correctly. Yep, rares are Doll and super rare Helmeppo. All right, guys, now we're in the gambling territory here. Not really sure what to expect, right? Compared to the reliability of hits from a case, from boxes. So we're gonna pray and hope here. Rares are Arlong and super rare Jinbei. Oh, I showed it to you again, but this is an alternate art Dawn pack. There's our Parasparrow, and I'm going to be Navy officer. And alternate art Dawn number 3 for this video. All right. Pack number 3 here, guys. There's our Caribou and super rare Nami. Couple more packs to go here. This is pack number 4. Rares are Shirahoshi, another super rare Jinbei. Alright, guys, second to last pack here. Rares are Borsalino and Kuzan. And here we go, guys, the last pack. Remember to stick around. I'll be recapping hits right after this. Rares are Doll and super rare Katakuri. All right, guys, thanks for watching today. Here's the recap of all the hits. 1 box plus 6 loose booster packs from my starter deck, so a little bit more buff than usual. We've got 3 alternate Dons. Super rares that we pulled today. I think this is a reverse order. I usually do order we pulled, but reverse order. We got Katakuri, Jinbei, Nami, Jinbei, Helmeppo, Sanji, Pudding, Beiji, Jinbei, Kujaku, Nami. And then for our hits today, we had alternate arts, super rare Helmeppo, and a secret rare Kobe. But yeah, good stuff today. Happy to start off with a 2-hit box here. You can save the 3 hitters for later, you know. Kind of want the opposite of what happened to my OP10 case, where I opened everything big so early. So hopefully that stays the case. And didn't get anything too special from our loose booster packs, but you know, another Don and then 4 super rares out of those 6. Pretty good, especially if you're someone looking to boost up, you know, super rares needed in your deck, things like that. But yeah, that is it for this one, guys. I'll be opening 2 and 3. They'll be uploaded right after this one, probably a couple days after this one. So look forward to that. But for this video, it is over. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one.